In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your eBay account quickly and efficiently. Whether you're eager to browse for a good deal or list your items for sale, accessing your eBay dashboard is the first step. Let's walk through the process together, ensuring you can get started with ease. First off, open your preferred web browser and navigate to eBay's website by typing www.ebay.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar homepage, featuring eBay's logo and tabs showcasing various product categories. To begin your login process, direct your attention to the top corner of your screen. Here, you'll see an option labeled Sign In. Click on it, whether it appears on the left or right side, depending on your screen size or device. After clicking Sign In, you'll be brought to the login page, where you need to enter your credentials. In the first field, type in your registered email address or username. Be sure that there are no typos or extra spaces, as these could prevent you from logging in. Following this, move on to the password field and enter your password. Again, attention to detail is important here, so double check to ensure accuracy. If you're ever in doubt about your password, eBay offers a simple password recovery option. Once you've entered your email or username and password, click the Sign In button to proceed. Keep in mind that if you'd linked your Google, Facebook, or Apple account during registration, you have the alternative to use these accounts to log in. This option can be particularly handy if you prefer the convenience of fewer passwords to remember. Occasionally, eBay may need additional verification for security reasons. If prompted, you could receive a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Simply retrieve the code from your message or email and enter it when asked. This extra step ensures the safety and privacy of your account. And there you have it. Once past the login and verification steps, you'll find yourself on your eBay dashboard. This is your hub on eBay, where you can begin exploring items to purchase, bidding on exciting auctions, or managing your own listings for sale. You're ready to engage with all that eBay has to offer, and hopefully this guide has made your login process smooth and swift. Thank you for joining me in this quick guide on logging into your eBay account. I hope you found the instructions clear and easy to follow. If you have any further questions or need additional tips, feel free to leave a comment. Enjoy your online shopping or selling experience on eBay.